Oh, what's up, fellow senders?
Welcome back to my channel, Chill Buddha Dreams. This video takes place a couple of months after my last video. It's August and I've had quite a busy summer. My life here in Bentonville is shaping up into more than I've hoped for. With a job in bikes, new friends, and a family growing, it's been easy collecting content. Here's what I've been up to so far, followed by a full day of riding. After the chaos of Bike Fest, the town pulled together to get the trails back into shape. There were a ton of volunteer efforts to clear things up. Just before Bike Fest, I met someone, Nora, and things have been progressing quickly. You can say I'm in love.
Whoa, skids.
You doing single speed today?
Yeah.
I'm not so scared anymore.
Good.
We actually met when I sold her a gravel bike. Coincidentally, we ride the same size bike. So this is me trying to learn gravel riding from the best.
Oh, that's scary too. Can't we just step over? You can't bunny hop that?
She learned a few things too.
Oh my God.
That feels so smooth.
I'm so proud of you,
And
dude.
Logan left me.
And Logan left you, and you still went for it.
Go, that's not my fault.
She's got a lot of heart and is so much fun to ride with.
Oh, got better. There you go.
Air Raid has been my go-to jump line this summer, and I've got plenty of footage to share.
What's your unicorn sitting on?
A bike.
Whose bike do you think that is? Do you think that's Matt's bike?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, that's nice.
Like a circus clown.
Little. I thought that's probably, I'm expecting small.
I haven't touched it yet. It's all you. It's all you.
Nora introduced me to her daughter Selina, who we've had fun introducing to the world of bikes. I feel blessed to have them in my life and even luckier that they're willing to ride with me. The summer has been full of friends, birthdays, and fun rides.
Beat that, Adam.
We stacked up miles, and Nora stepped out of her comfort zone a few impressive times. It's a Sunday morning before work.
You ladies ready to ride?
Yeah. Oh, God, it's early.
Good. It said it's early? Good morning. Oh, you like that horn, don't you?
Okay, who's gonna be in front?
You want me to lead it? Or you want your mom to lead it?
Mom, watch the whole video. You lead it.
I think Roth is gonna be really giddy whenever I tell him that this is what we did this morning. Because he just recommended it. He was just like, I didn't even know what he was talking about. He was like, oh, Snowbird. And I was like, what do you mean, Snowbird? He's like, no, that's where you should take her to go ride. And I was like, who? What are you talking about? And then he pulled it up and I was like, oh, I know that trail. Because the back 40 lines up to it. Just wait for mom.
I've never ridden this trail by itself, but I'm told it's perfect for beginners.
Pay attention to the trail ahead of you. Don't look at the gears, just feel for the gears.
Selena is definitely a beginner, but she's picking it up real fast.
Nice. Nice save, I saw that. Remember, focus on the trail ahead of you. Yeah, that's a good height. That's a great height. That was like her first rock garden right there. It's okay. It got a little rough, huh? And when it's rough, you kind of, well, I mean, you're already in an easy gear. You kind of just want to power through it. You're doing a great job. I'm so proud of you. Huh? You want me to go up front?
Yeah. Good job, you did it!
This trail is exactly what she needs to keep progressing.
Good job, baby.
That was it for you today?
That's too crazy.
That was too crazy? You sure you don't have one more in you? I got plenty of time.
Really? You don't want to go again?
You can imagine how strong your legs are gonna be after one more lap. I mean, you easily conquered one so fast.
All right, Adam, take the lead. Don't be scared. You got it. Good job, babe. Really good job.
After a second lap, this will be her longest ride yet.
You gotta put that seat up. It will help you pedal when you're, there you go. There you go. See? That's perfect. That's a good speed, Adam. There you go. That was really good, Selena.
We're at the end over here. All we gotta do is just do the loop back. Yeah. You remember we stopped at that spot because it was hard for you to make that turn in gear, right? You powered right through it this time. You're killing it.
She's really cruising at this point.
Yep. There you go. Good job. Good job. That was really good.
She looks like a completely different rider on this lap.
Nice speed control through there. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Pedal, 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 all the way up. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Good job. Very good job. You did it. Easy peasy.
I'm pretty sure we cut our time in half.
Pretty much done.
It turned out to be exactly what we wanted for her, and we're all excited for more rides together.
One more? I'm so proud.
Good job, girl.
Good job. Where are we going? Hey, wherever we want to go? All right, I got it.
It's still Sunday, 5 p.m., right after the shop closes.
We got everyone? Heck yeah. Oh, that's a big group, bro.
The Phat Tire Bike Shop crew grabs some e-bikes for a big group ride.
Riders up.
I was asked to lead, which I'm always happy to do.
A whole gang of us.
We started by dropping in at All American at the southern end of Slaughter Pit.
Where did you come from?
I just went on the green light.
I hate that skinny. That's my least favorite skinny.
Declan, our youngest shop employee, is also our most talented rider. We took the All-American bypass to Zeppelin, but then I heard something, a crash across the way.
Ethan wrecked.
Looks like Ethan went down on a berm.
I blame the Schwabies.
I said that.
Worst bike ride. Worst group ride ever.
Who's leading this?
Hey Declan, you want to lead it? We left Rick and his son.
Where were they? I saw them in the picture.
There's no way this is a full group. I remember there were a lot more people sitting there.
We'll do a lap in session back here. Let's do a lap.
I'm trying to keep up with Declan, who's about to double a berm on Choo Choo.
No way. Hey, there they are. Back up to the hub.
Then we hit Technar to check out the new line. I need to session that gap next time.
I like that. They've done that show right.
Hey, I vote we keep moving from here.
I'd agree.
Apple dumpling.
Right down the road.
He don't know how to work that strap either, so you probably need to help him.
What's up, fellow senders? Am I gonna be your intro?
Yeah.
Next up, one of my personal favorites, apple dumpling. We rode the Greenway back to All-American. We continued on towards the bottom of the castle climb. Being on an e-bike makes racing up that hill a ton of fun. We couldn't resist hitting Wildfire a few times. It's short, but perfect for sessioning. Trying to catch Declan on camera has been a challenge.
It's how aggressively fast he makes it through those berms, which blows my mind.
Then we hit Medieval, my favorite trail at the castle.
We did Loam.
Loam? How was Loam?
Super fast.
Damn, I kind of wish I would have done Loam, to be honest.
How'd I know?
Everyone else come down too?
That's how I knew it.
Were you guys the last ones up there?
No, you still have.
Crew's coming.
We took C-Tick Shuffle back to All-American to head towards Jesse's last stand.
We're doing All-American to
Jesse's.
Ready?
Oh, no, wait. My dropper takes this road.
I need to work on my camera setup, but Declan and Grayson are about to double this feature.
the jump line. I'll see you guys up there.
All right. Hard right.
Adam. Adam,
Yeah.
my dropper cable broke.
Oh no.
Now it's stuck down. You single speed now? No, it's my dropper cable. Now it's stuck down. I gotta get me one of these.
You with me, Grayson?
What?
You with me?
Yeah.
We're gonna just drop right in.
All right.
Jesse's Last Stand is another favorite of mine. It's fast and flowy, definitely worth a few laps.
Oh no!
Oh no! Breaking your butt.
Dude, if only I knew a bike mechanic.
Then I chased Bradley down Jesse's.
All right, you guys want to go hit 3-pack? Do some sessions on 3-pack?
Definitely. Where's that at? That's just right there.
We've been calling it 6-pack lately, since they've reworked the trail and added a few more solid hits.
Two minus one. Last opportunity.
Not doing that.
Yeah. I don't want to say it.
I refuse to use those words, but I'm ready to move on after this lap.
Is there any other trail that we want to hit before we head back, or is everybody just ready to head back?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm cool either way. All right, all night.
Somebody make a recommendation on a trail you guys want to hit. I don't.
Leverage loop on the way home, or?
Ooh, we can hit leopards on the way back.
I was also thinking about the.
We could do leopards. No, we could do Tristan's to Barn Burner.
Dude, that has a new jump line.
Let's go.
Dude, let's go.
Let's go.
We used the greenway again to head toward Tristan's trail. This direction on Tristan is mostly uphill, but on an e-bike it's actually a lot of fun.
Straight, going straight. Do we have everyone? Yeah.
Come all the way back. Hey, Adam, where are you going with this?
We're just looping back and coming back this way.
Coming back and then going back or doing it again?
No, we're just gonna come back this way and then go up to
Leopards.
leopards.
I'll probably let you take the lead on this one, just so I know my line.
Roll call.
Time to send it.
Ryder!
Barn Burner, one of my favorite jump lines at Slaughter Pen, and it was recently reworked.
That first one needs to be way.
Dude, I loved it, dude. It's smooth.
That was pretty good. The first one needs to be like way bigger. I overspent it so much.
Huh?
It doesn't take long at all.
No, we passed the intersection on the way up here.
Then we hit Leopard's Loop, a smooth, paved trail that's fun for a few laps. There used to be a climb trail here before the tornadoes.
Yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Who was that? Oh, he's tough.
Oh my God, dust cloud.
I'm telling you, I turned around and looked and I was like, holy
fresh powder.
Geez, a puff of dust.
That's why you gotta always record, because you never know when you're gonna need the camera on.
One more and
roll out.
one more and roll back to the shop.
What type of black magic was that? Who said that? Another one. Or 2 plus 2 minus 1.
Only if you believe in conspiracies do you believe that that's a real thing.
It's a real thing.
That's bogus, bro. That is bogus.
All right, let's go. I'll follow you, Ross.
Go.
This is definitely a great trail to wrap up the ride on.
All right, let's just stay down here.
Beer.
Yeah, beer. Beer. But we got to take the bikes back before we go have beer.
Clear the rails and just spray everything real quick.
Yeah.
Just line it up. Assembly line. That'll
Yeah.
be way quicker.
We took Northwest 8th Street straight back to the shop.
Dad, I want to get an e-bike.
On your left.
It was a solid crew, and that made it a great group ride. We got the bikes washed up and back to rentals, which ended this long and epic day on bikes. For this channel, my goal is to continue to tell my mountain biking story, one experience at a time, and to share some sick edits of all the great trails Bentonville has to offer, along with all the other destinations I aim to visit. This is a whole new experience for me, and I would really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Comments are welcome, and hoping that you keep them positive. And remember guys, be chill and stay shredding.